go on.
Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. M. Amprin Lingdor confirmed that the upgradation of the Manggakgre sub-centre to a public health centre is in progress. The upgraded facility will provide essential services including an outpatient department (OPD), a 10-bedded inpatient department (IPD), labour room, lab services, emergency care and pharmacy. Additionally, residential quarters will also be provided for medical and paramedical staff. Regarding staffing, the minister assured that the appointments will follow government's norms.
Honourable Speaker, sir, reply to staff question 100A. Yes, upgradation of the Manggakgre sub-centre into PHC is in progress. B. So the facilities that will be available in the PHC centre after completion will be A. Outdoor patient department services. 2. 10-bedded inpatient department. 3. Labour room facilities. 4. Lab facilities. 5. Emergency services. 6. Pharmacy and residential quarters for medical and paramedical staffs, etc. And C, sir, as per government norms.
Leader of